Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to try and show you my install my speakers here. It's kind of dark. Yeah, it's really dark. Let me try to flip the heats up. There we go. That's a little better. So I got them on each side like this. I still got my tweeters hooked up. So now I got 4 Pioneer Premier 3000 SPL 12s and the 4 6x9 Pioneer Premiers. Pretty sweet little setup. Oh, I like how they sound. I just got them off a 250 watt Sony amp right now. Running 2 ohm, 2 channel. So it's pulling the most it can out of the amp. I don't know. I don't really want to go any higher with the gain because I got it set with the meter. I don't really want to mess with it. So I don't know. I might just throw I got a Sherwood amp I might try out. It's only a 250 watt amp, but it might be a little better. Give it a shot. See if it's a little better than the Sony. If not, oh well. I'll just put the Sony in. But yeah, I got them in. Sounds good. I'll get some videos up for you guys. I'm sure I'll have lots of videos. Can't wait to get a new camera.